This is how to add stickers to your YouTube Shorts. When uploading your YouTube Short on the YouTube app, tap this sticker button, and you will have these 5 categories of stickers. As for the image stickers, you can choose an image from your device. Tap to change its shape and make it your sticker. You can then use these colors to make your sticker look better. You can also change its size, move, rotate, or even delete. And with Q&A stickers, you can just ask a question and get answers in the comments. Concerning the Add Yours stickers, you can just leave a prompt or statement, and your viewers can respond with their own shorts. When it comes to poll stickers, you can just ask a question that requires a yes or no vote. And as for the quiz stickers, you can just ask a question and give 2 answer choices to your viewers. And after adding your stickers, you can go on to upload your short. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.